How to take olive oil for weight loss. Easy homemade fat-burning drink. Not a lot of people may know about this powerful fat-burning homemade drink, and to prepare it, you'll only need olive oil and Himalayan pink salt. Studies have shown that the combination of olive oil, particularly extra virgin olive oil, and Himalayan pink salt can aid weight loss through burning fat, controlling appetite, and speeding up metabolism. To prepare this drink, mix 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and if you can, use extra virgin olive oil since it's a lot healthier with a pinch of Himalayan pink salt. You can add more of the Himalayan pink salt based on your taste. Take this before your first and last meal. If you add this to your daily routine along with eating a balanced diet, being active, and avoiding stress, you'll reap its amazing benefits in no time. And speaking of benefits, let's talk about the ingredients of this drink and what they would do to your body. First, olive oil, in particular extra virgin olive oil, helps in weight loss as it would help you control your appetite to avoid overeating. Olive oil is composed of oleic acid, a fatty acid that regulates a weight loss promoting enzyme. Just like fiber and protein, this fatty acid will help make you feel fuller for a longer time and prevent you from consuming too many calories. Another thing is that extra virgin olive oil helps decrease the amount of insulin in the body. Insulin is a hormone that's responsible for turning excess sugar into fat, thus having a diet rich in olive oil would help you burn fat faster. But aside from its positive effects on weight, taking 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil each day would also bring these benefits to your overall health. Boosts immunity, gives you a healthy dose of vitamin E, which is good for the eyes, blood, brain, and skin, prevents heart diseases and stroke due to the healthy fats in it, reduces bad cholesterol, increases good cholesterol, improves digestion and helps relieve constipation, since the healthy fats in it helps ease bowel movement. That's why it isn't surprising that those who follow the Mediterranean diet are leaner and live healthier, longer lives. This type of dietary practice is based on the traditional eating habits of people from countries bordering the Mediterranean Sea like Italy, Greece, France, and Spain. The Mediterranean diet's unique characteristic is the use of olive oil, specifically extra virgin olive oil, as the main culinary fat. It's also based on vegetables, fruits, whole grains, beans, nuts, and seeds. In fact, it is recognized by the World Health Organization since it has been proven to be associated with longer lives and a reduced risk of long-term illnesses. Studies have shown that many health benefits of consuming a diet in which olive oil is the main source of fat, including lowering blood pressure, reducing the risk of certain types of cancers, digestive diseases, and arthritis, and lowering body mass index or BMI, which is a measure of fat based on one's height and weight. Before we proceed, if you're enjoying this video so far, give us a like, subscribe to our channel for more informative health videos, and click on the bell icon to be notified once we upload a new video. Now, let's talk about the second ingredient of this fat-burning drink, the Himalayan pink salt. The salt is named that way since it's mined in the Punjab region of Pakistan, around 190 miles from the Himalayas. It contains almost all the essential elements needed by the body, such as calcium, potassium, iron, zinc, copper, and magnesium. It also has lower sodium content than regular white salt, which makes it the healthier choice. Furthermore, it's a rock salt, which means that it's the purest form of salt. It has no pollutants and it isn't chemically processed. According to a study published by the World Journal of Pharmaceutical Research, the Himalayan pink salt promotes healthy digestion, reduces cravings and eliminates fat dead cells, detoxifies the body by getting rid of toxic minerals and salt deposits, regulates blood pressure, replenishes the body's electrolytes and maintains pH balance, which refers to the levels of acids and bases in the blood, boosts the body's immune system, and promotes healthier digestion. And since we're already talking about weight loss drinks made up of natural ingredients, we also recommend one that would help you lose weight and be healthy. This is the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic that's a blend of fruits, herbs, spices, and tea extracts that activates a fat-burning hormone inside the body. Those who've used it are already seeing incredible results without adding an exercise or changing their diet. In fact, some folks are losing up to 33 pounds of fat in just 30 days by simply drinking the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic daily in the morning. One of them is Susan Adley, a 45-year-old mom of 3 who was unable to exercise due to osteoarthritis in her knee. Learn more about Susan's inspiring story by clicking the link in the description box below. That sums up today's video. We hope you learned something new today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and stay tuned because more informative health lifestyle videos are coming very soon on our channel. Thanks for watching and see you again next time.